Yo, singing chef.
Hey, bro, what's going on, my friend?
It's rolling, man. It's rolling. Yeah, man. Grand Bahia, Jamaica, runaway. Big. Yeah, man. What do you say, man? Good fruit, very fresh. This sushi night. Yo, man, look at that.
Wagwan.
Singing fat.
The singing chef in the building, my
Yes.
friend. Now here we take you on a tour.
Let's
Let us
do
show
it.
you what Jamaica is like and what the Grand Bahia Principe is like.
Yeah, man.
Okay, now my friend and I, we're going to take a stroll right here and
do
show
it.
you everything. This is mainly what you see here. This is mainly the code line. This is mainly the code line. You get your veg, you get your cold meat, anything you want to go on the grill, this is where you get it. This is all the veg side. Yeah, man, we come on to the hotline.
Good food, man.
Yeah, man,
Good
food comes straight down, my friend. Beautiful food. And of course, you can't have your meal without the collard greens, my friend.
That's right.
You need a Jamaican callaloo, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
Now coming down, you know, there's over here, my friend.
Yeah.
Right here. This is the secret to relationships. This is the okra. Now my friend, without this, there's no striving with the woman. So you need this in your system.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, eat it every day, man.
What I say, my friend. And you know the best part about it? I cooked it myself.
There you go. Plantain is very good.
Yeah, my brethren. Now the fried plantain, you know Jamaicans love fried plantain.
Yeah.
So we want you guys to love it also.
Oh, yeah.
So we can't just tell you for you to love it, you have to taste it.
I like it.
Yeah, man, Jamaica, no problem.
I have it on my plate right now.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. Come down, we have the Buddha soup. I'll finish here. Oh, here, both of them. We have the Buddha soup right here and the miso soup right here. Right? And those are two good soups also. Tonight is a Spanish night, and my friend, you just wait until Jamaican day.
Yes, man.
We always have a corner for the kids right here.
Kids section.
Yeah, man. Fries, we have chicken breast, we have chicken fingers, and some pasta and cheese coming back out right now. Yeah, man. And over here we have the vegetarian corner and the Canadian corner.
Yeah, the Canadian corner, yeah.
Canadian corner is especially with them pork chops inside.
Good rice.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
The food is very good here.
Vegetarian right here. You just pick and choose from millions of food here, my friend. Over here we have the Michael Jackson.
Michael
This is the
Jackson.
Michael Jackson right here.
Michael Jackson. What's up?
That's Michael Jackson.
No,
No, this is just a singing chef. That's the dancer right there.
Yeah,
Now how about we give you guys a performance of your
I want to
life,
see,
okay?
I want to see.
You guys just wait right here, my friend.
Yeah.
Hey Jackson, what's cracking, my boy?
Jackson,
Hey,
you gotta do
Jackson,
something, man.
What are you doing, man? How you doing? My friend over here wants to
Singing and
take
dancing, you gotta put together, man.
Let's kick this like it's supposed to.
Yeah.
I told you, don't you ever come around here. Don't wanna see your face, you better disappear. The fire's in your eyes and the words will be the plan, so beat it.
Oh, yeah.
Just beat it. better run, you better do what you can. Don't wanna be boy, you wanna be a man. You wanna stay alive, better do what you can. So
Yeah.
but you wanna be there, just be there.
Yeah.
Jamaica, no problem, my friend.
Thanks, man. Thanks, man.
Yeah, man, roll it through, my friend. Like we said before, we have the pizza station right here. And of course, you can get your special order on your pizza, your own pizza. You just talk to my friend, the pizza guy, and that's him right up there.
That's it. You heard it,
problem,
folks.
my friend. Not famous girls, my friend. Now, like these girls take care of all the jerkin, feel the steak, all the jerk chicken, the jerk pork, and don't forget my jerk ducky.
Man, me I find the perfect guy, you know.
Man, I tell you now, this is the seafood area. Yeah, man. Crack it like it's lucky.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, right up to where we ended at the chef corner. Now this corner is where we have varieties of, trust me, you just need to be here to see it.
That's right. Some duck. Feeding.
Now this is where we say to you, come over with me to the baseline. Come on, man.
Yeah. Look at Michael Jackson. There's Michael Jackson's back. He's back. He's back. Yeah. Look at that. Good people here, man. Good people. Yeah. There you go. See? Yeah. Chef Michael Jackson. Oh. Yeah.
Now watch me. Watch my. No, it's okay.
You know, eh? Good, man. Good.
All right, welcome my friends to the face tonight. Now you just take a look and list everything, my friend. You can't miss.
Everything here is good, man.
Everything here is beautiful, my friend.
It is.
Hey, welcome, my general. How was it?
No problem.
Everything's good here.
Yeah, man. All right.
Absolutely. And no sugar. Sugar-free.
Sugar-free.
And that's it.
And we leave from here to the baker line.
Yeah, see?
At Bahia Principe, my friend, we have everything.
Yeah, man. Singing chef rocks, boy.
And this is where your tour has finished. But before you go, one love, yeah, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Whoa. See you all later, okay?
Yeah, man.